Alright guys, today we are at
You ready? Are you guys ready?
this place, we're just gonna pick out some stuff.
I got the fountain here. I might stick with that.
Can't even hear my voice because it's this loud. Anyways, I keep saying anyways all my videos. Oh look, it's one of these thingies again.
You want to go pack them?
Yeah, sure. We're gonna get packed.
No. Hey, how many you want? About 2 packs.
Yeah, 2 packs. 2 packs.
Hey, wait, hang on. Let's go over there and look. I think they got those backpacks.
Oh yeah, they might. Come on, let's go. Gotta go fast. I haven't been in the back of VR. Look at that. Let's get this
You
one.
want that one?
Yeah, sure.
Which one you want?
Oh my gosh.
You want a backpack? What is this?
I don't know. Look at this baby. This baby. Oh my gosh. Oh. This is too crazy. Was it tricky over there? Okay, never mind. Hello? Yep, something in there. Mine's gonna cut.
You want this?
I mean, yeah, sure.
Tracy, hold that.
Oh my gosh, this is gonna be a big thing. Oh my gosh!
We'll put it over there.
Look at all of this. We're definitely buying these. Is that movie Paul's? I think so.
So I was thinking I could put it on top.
Wow.
Sides. And the reason
I do not know what I'm doing. I seriously do not know what I'm doing. Yeah. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. What the heck? Oh la la.
Do you have a pile already?
We're about to.
Wait, Daddy, are we getting more fireworks?
Yeah,
What if we're getting more fireworks? Daddy, let's get this one.
yeah. How you doing?
Oh, we're getting this one.
You want that?
Yeah.
Of course, everything was
Are we
spread
getting
out a little
more?
bit, you know, but everybody comes at one time.
Daddy, are we getting more?
Yes,
At least they're
All right.
coming.
Daddy, I'm gonna go look for some more.
Okay. You making your video?
Yeah, I'm gonna look over there. BRB, I'll be careful. I'm going to pick out some fireworks. All right. I should probably go over here.
Hold on, do you want the rockets with the parachutes or you just want parachutes? Like a stick rocket?
All right.
Or, like just a
I'm gonna check for some rockets. I'll just grab these. Actually, I want the tall ones. $2. Oops. Oh, I gotta go fast.
we're up there.
Got some rockets.
You got rockets?
Yeah,
Okay.
it's really cool.
And then these ones are kind of different neon colors.
Oh, really? Oh.
Different
And these ones are
neons.
just darker, basically. These ones are darker and these ones are light.
We should get this one.
Bum, 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 bum.
Wow.
Yeah, the Diablo's just as pretty to me as any of them.
Yeah?
Some of them do some bigger, different effects. This one has like tails, like a comet when the shell's going up before it busts.
Daddy.
Or it does mines where
Daddy,
Sparks
I'm gonna
just
go
go
all the way over there. So let me
Hang on, I'll go over there with you.
the Shogun's really pretty. Of course, the
gonna go over
Excaliburs
here.
are
Over there.
they're pretty, but they're loud. You know, they use a little extra powder for thump with them. So
This video is gonna be long.
Can I put these up?
yeah.
Will you put that back there with my stuff, please?
It's past 6 minutes, so this is my longest video yet. Of history of Otis channel. This is the longest video
Alright.
yet.
Let's go over to the box.
All the way over there. So come on, let's go. I gotta go supersonic speed. Come on. Hello. Hello.
Nothing.
That's just fun chip.
What are you doing, LJ?
Oh, I'm just doing a YouTube video.
You don't even remember me, do you?
You don't remember
You ought to.
I do.
Fairview Elementary School?
Oh yeah.
How you been?
I've been.
Yeah?
Oh, it's you're from Bellevue Elementary School. Yeah.
I was the resource officer there for a while.
Oh.
Add up on how much we got.
No, it's Daddy, I'm gonna go over there.
Oh, okay. Alright.
What the? Daddy, we gotta get this. See this?
That one?
Yeah.
Well, how about this?
It says over for moon.
This one looks nice.
No, this one looks nice, and we can get that one too. I only want to get that one. Ball for the moon, get that one, please. Where's the better? Bad boy. Come on. We can get this. Yeah.
Here, let me go put this over here.
All right. Excuse me.
Sorry.
It's okay. Oh wait, I gotta go super fast. Did I lose my dad already? Oh no. There we go.
Throw that on there also, please.
This is gonna be a bunch. I like the smell of this. That's my favorite part.
Oh, yeah. Alright.
Tell me, why are we so here?
Bud, you want a sword?
Yeah, sure. Put in melted cheese. Let's go over there.
CC, is there anything y'all want? Y'all want to pick out some small stuff?
I see fireworks. I see fireworks. All right, I'm going over here. Come on, Daddy. Wow. You do?
Yeah, this is a good one.
Look how long my video is. It's gonna be like a 20-minute video. I found the lockers over here. Oh look, so Oh.
You want that or you want this one?
We get those.
This one.
Oh my god.
You want this one? No, not that one. That one's $75.
This one.
Okay. When you get the bottle rockets, they're blowing up.
Alright.
Let me go put this over there with the other stuff.
Alright, let me grab some rockets. We can get some more.
No, we don't need one. Here.
Oh, I'm just gonna grab one.
Can we get one of those?
Yeah.
And we're gonna get one of those.
Yeah. I'm coming, Daddy. Hold on. Here you go. But this is going to be like over like $1,000. Okay, maybe not. We're like Willy Witch. So we're just buying like a lot of fireworks. I'm gonna.
Alright, bud, come over here.
Oh wait, Daddy. We can have these. Oh wait, that was.
I'm good. How about you?
Oh man, living.
Wow. I like flying over me. Wow. Oh.
Well, they're supposed to, but they didn't
You
today.
have to like jump. Wow. Wow. Oh my gosh. We're spending so much money. I think we're spending over $5,000. That's crazy.
We're having trouble finding a box.
Oh wait, I'm gonna grab one of them.
I don't think I got one of these.
Excuse me.
Excuse me, buddy.
You're
You're fine. You're fine.
Alright.
Alright.
Let's go see what Uncle Steve says if there's anything else we need.
Alright.
Alright, anything else that we need that you can think of that's just an absolute must?
Yeah.
Shoot, he'll load you up. You better watch
Hey,
it.
don't
We got
say
enough
that.
over there as it is.
Nah, you ain't got enough yet.
You get an angry cowboy, I see you piled.
We had no place. My own. I don't know. I can't find any.
Alright, let's go get one more thing.
One more thing about believing. Okay. I guess that was a yes. There's one more thing that I want.
What?
Come. Excuse me. I want this. Really want this.
We'll see what the damage is, okay?
Come on. This is over for me, so it got to be good.
I know, but we'll see how much money we spent so far.
Okay. Yeah?
You want a truck?
Yes, we can get that. This is gonna be a long video. How does it smell so much? It smells good, and now it smells like my dog.
Do you know what those Captain American shields do? Yeah, just step back.
I remember these.
I've had my
Well,
dad
we got
went to
some.
white one. He's like,
No, wait, what
first
more?
time. That's neat.
We got a ton of these. Alright.
I would get a couple.
Look, where's our stuff?
They don't have a lot of noise to them, but they're pretty colorful.
Alright. I'm just going to Supersonic over here. Wow.
So, yeah, like on here, right here.
Alright.
What's the damage?
534.
Good God Almighty.
64, 90, 94. Wait, Daddy, how much money did we spend?
Well, enough, dude.
Okay, then. Guess like, I'm getting number fireworks. This is going to be a show tomorrow. Like an hour show. Actually, 4 hours? Yeah, 4 hours. Yep, 4 hour show.
What?
So, come from over there. From over there. It's that simple. That's a simple face. Okay, this is true love. This is true love. Alright, help me. Why am I going so fast? Wait, that's because it goes so fast. But it didn't even make any sense. Ouch. The pixel source is still there. We're wasting a lot of money, aren't we? Aren't we spending a lot of money? He said yes. He said yes. And if they didn't, then I'm going to kill him. It's actually not true.
615-974-8327.
I don't know how much more I can put in a box.
Oh, small stuff, man.
615 2222 4242. Ah. Oh. Can we go to the car now?
Behind Steve right there.
Car over there. Over there, don't let me go into a car.
Put the mainframe on top of that.
Hold on, let me do the outro, Daddy. I know. Thank you guys for watching this longest video. And make sure to subscribe and hit that notification button so you will never miss a video. Yep, and bye guys.